So last night Rolly and I removed the underplates from my Prado. Comes in 2 pieces. We're going to replace that with this OCAM Bash Plate. It's a lot thicker, looks pretty solid, really heavy, and it's going to make the car look pretty good. What I've had to do also is when we removed it last night, the bolts and the screws that come with it, the stock ones underneath, there's 6 of them. They're not long enough, so I've had to go buy some longer screws, and they come in the M8 1.25, and you have to get them in high tensile, otherwise it's not going to be strong enough. You know, your normal bolt screws are not going to be strong enough. So these are right here. I've got a 25mm and a 30mm just in case. And yeah, I want to install it now. Now if you take a look underneath, that's one of the screws that we're going to put in. So that's another one that we're putting. The other, because there's another plate under here. There was 2 plates. There was screws here and another one on the other side. We won't need that. We'll just need the 2 on the back there. So it's 2 on the back and 2 in the front. And what we'll do is we'll first put the 2 at the back, slot in the actual the bash plate, and then screw the 2 front. All right. Okay, so I've put on the bash plate. It's there. My car, if I was to raise it, you could probably see it better. But yeah, it does look nice, and it's got that protection on there. There's a bit of clearance in between the car and the actual bash plate, which will kind of help if anything gets stuck in there, because the last bash plate had a whole bunch of rocks in there, big rocks stuck in there. The only problem is what it does is it reduces my clearance in terms of height. But yeah, obviously I'm not going to be scared to hit any big rocks anymore, or go forward driving around big rocks. So yeah.